Hey, it's Mike from MVD here at the Magewell booth at NAB 2026 with more new introductions from here at the show. One of the other new introductions is a new module in our Modator family. Now, to recap, for those who aren't familiar, the Modator family brings the reliability and low latency conversion that's popular in Magewell's standalone ProConvert devices into a rack mount form factor. So it'll take 10 hot swappable blades, redundant power supply, so it's perfect if you have a high density IP installation for converting between IP formats and AV signals such as HDMI or SDI. The newest blade that we've just introduced, this is the ProConvert with 12G SDI input. So this will take 12G SDI up to 4K 60 and convert it to NDI High Bandwidth. Once again, this is a hot swappable blade that can go right into the Modator chassis, and you can mix and match it with other formats for encoding as well as decoders, all in one really space-efficient, reliable platform designed for 24/7 operation. What we're looking at here is a brand new version of Magewell's Control Hub software. Now, if you're not familiar with Control Hub, it is centralized device and stream management software for Magewell IP deployments. So it can connect all of your Magewell IP hardware, such as streaming encoders, IP converters, or so forth, control and configure them all under a single dashboard. That can be spread across multiple locations within a facility, multiple locations, multiple campuses across the city, or even across the country. So if you have a remote production deployment, you can be accessing your remote locations all from one pane. New for the show are some new enhancements for when you're working with Magewell's Modator platform. Now, the Modator platform is Magewell's modular platform that's a rack mount system where you can host multiple blades within it for IP conversion, decoders, encoders, and so forth. So because those can get really high density, we wanted an efficient interface where you could see the status of your Modator deployment altogether. What you're seeing here already, these are the blades that are populated in the Modator chassis we have here at the show, and then we can drop those down and you can see what's happening with each of those individual blades. There's an SDI encoder and an HDMI encoder. When you want to check even further into the status of your Modator deployment, you can pop it open its own dedicated web interface, and that will show you all of the temperatures, fan speeds, power supply status, everything about that chassis, all in one view. Control Hub is optional software that you can add alongside your hardware products. And for more information, of course, visit the Magewell website or our website at mobilevideodevices.com.